Hi, welcome to Chiefkirk Outdoors. Now today, what I would like to do, and by the way, we're like everybody else, we're kind of pinned down with this virus, and thank God that none of my family or me have it. And I hope none of yours do either. I hope you're weathering the storm well. But being bored, because I haven't been out of the house today. Well, yeah, I did. I went out and checked the mail. But I thought I'd come out and make a little fire. I want to do something just a tiny bit different. I don't think I've ever tried this before, but I'm going to do a flint and steel fire is what I'm going to do. You know, and ordinarily, when you do a flint and steel fire, you take your char cloth and you put it on top of your flint and you strike your flint. Now today, I hope you can see what I'm doing here. I pulled out several pieces of char cloth. And what I thought I would try is I'm going to lay these out. Actually, I'm wasting a bunch of it this way, but it's an experiment. I can make some more. Anyhow, what I thought I would do, oh, and by the way, for my tinder, I'm using some more of my shredded paper. But what I thought I'd do today is, instead of trying to get some sparks on top of it, I thought I would use it kind of like punk wood. You know, when you use a punk wood and you got it in your tin and you throw sparks down on it, and that works really well. So what I thought I would do is I thought I would try to rain some sparks down on this char cloth and see if that'll work. I don't know, I've never tried it before. So you're going to be the first to know whether it does or not. And it does work. I hope you can see I do have ignition. And I'm going to put it in here and see if I can get some flame. And we do have some flame. Now that worked pretty doggone good. And that's pretty slick. And I got to admit that actually that was a whole lot easier than putting my char cloth on top of my piece of flint. Who'd have thunk it? So anyhow, that little experiment worked out really well. The last time that I did a flint and steel, it took me longer the traditional way than it did just now. And I really didn't, I thought I was going to use a whole lot of char cloth when I laid it out like that, but actually it only caught on one piece, so I really didn't waste any of my char cloth either. So anyhow, that was fun, and I learned something, that it's real easy to do it that way. Maybe even easier than the other way, I don't know. You can figure that out yourself. Go experiment. Stay safe. Stay in if you can. Hopefully this virus mess will be over soon and we can go back to normal, or as normal as it gets for me. Thank you for being with me on this one. I enjoyed it. I hope you did. Remember, tell somebody you love them, and that is especially true because people are dying right and left, and you got to tell people you love them because they may not be here tomorrow. God bless you. I'll see you on the next one.